Hi, it's Miss Duffy. This video will show you how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. All right, let's start adding fractions with like denominators. If I have 1/3 plus 1/3, when I go to add it, the first thing I'm going to check is I'm going to check the denominators. If they're the same, then I keep it. If our denominators are the same, we keep it. So I'm going to keep that denominator, and then I'm going to simply just add the numerators. So 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, that's simple enough. It's always easier when your denominators are the same. Let's take another one. If I have 1/10 plus 2/10, my denominator is the same, so I keep it. It's a 10. And then I'm going to follow the numerators and add those. What's 1 plus 2? It's 3. Okay? So very simple when you're adding fractions with like denominators. You just keep the denominator if it's the same. Now, if we're going to subtract fractions with like denominators, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to keep the denominator, but we're going to subtract instead of add. If I have 2/4 minus 1/4, I check my denominators, they're the same, so I keep it. And then I look at the numerators. 2 minus 1 is 1. Let's do another example. 6/12 minus 4/12. I check my denominator, it's the same, so I keep it. And then I subtract the numerator. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now something should stand out to you, and what I like to get you in the habit of doing is always checking your chart. Always check the chart. So if we check the chart, remember if you have numbers that are on top of each other in the same column, you can go across and find your equivalent fractions. And this way, when we're trying to simplify, because we always want to write in the simplest form, we're going to find our number and move to the left. So if I were to find 2/12, so if I were to find 2/12 right here on my chart, they're in the same column, and I slide to the left, and I have 1/6. So in simplest form, it would be 1/6 is my answer using the chart. Now, if you need more help with finding the equivalent fractions or simplifying fractions, make sure to go to that video, and we'll show you how to do that just using the chart. And also, if you want more practice with adding and subtracting fractions, I'd like for you to go to Study Island and find that quiz and work on that.